Gunkanjima, located in Nagasaki, Japan, on an empty and vacant island. Gunkanjima used to be a mining facility, and today it is completely abandoned and left to deteriorate. This place gives off a really eerie vibe and a creepy tension within the dead air of the island. And now, the entire island is a ghost town.